What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in the Tanger Mall out in Pittsburgh, Washington area. Do got a ton of stores. Let's look around. Do have an Adidas store, but we're starting with this store first. Steelers Pro Shop. Let's go. We're gonna find deals on Pittsburgh Steelers stuff. Let's go. Let's go. Salute to service. These are one of my favorite hoodies. $100 down to 70. Slight discount. Get 10% off all the regular price items, which is not bad. So this $40 t-shirt goes down to what, 36. Slight discount. I have been finding a bunch of Pittsburgh merch out, even at Ross and stuff like that. Even found a Palomalo jersey, Mitchell & S, which was fire, but was double XL, so it doesn't really work for me. They got a bunch of jerseys in the back. Love all the OG jerseys in the back. Got Jerome Bettis, Palomalo, Evan Green, that fool was crazy. Rod Woodson, crazy in a good way. His nickname was the Freak, right? Got Watts right there. Seems like the Nike jerseys on the bottom, Mitchell & S up top. Mitch Trubisky, is that their starting quarterback this year? Oh, that's gonna be rough. So yeah, $130 for the Nike jerseys. Do have a little clearance section right here. What these slippers go for? Size 13, 14s. So normally 30 down to 22, an extra 20% off or 25% off on top. Pittsburgh flag 25 to 18 with that extra discount. Beanies actually pretty dope. New era beanie. The $23. So it's probably what, $17 or something. Normally 35, so almost 50% off. Not bad. It's a bobblehead doll. It's an action figure. Look at this. Juju Smith-Schuster. Obviously, he's not with the team anymore. Look at that. 15 down to $4. $4, and then you get another 25% off. So that's $3 a piece. $6 for this thing. I don't know who Bush is. I'm not a Pittsburgh fan. My bad, you guys. I don't know all the Pittsburgh stuff. $35 for this. Can I even take this through the airport? I don't even know. That is dope though. Got the etching, Pittsburgh Steelers etching on it. Got kids shirts. Kids shirts down to $5. Do got a sale on men's apparel. All the jerseys, of course, fools that are gone. Got Schuster Smith. That fool's been gone. The dude got Schuster Smith. That fool's been gone. $75. Get that extra 25 on top. Claypool, he's been gone too. These are the Nike ones. Does have the stitched in. These are the on-field jerseys. These are nice. Who's Bush? I have no clue who Bush is. $80 for this one. And they do have some apparel, like 47 brand right here. I think this is normally like 60 down to 45 plus an extra discount. And then t-shirt right here. This is 35 down to 26, and you get an extra discount, so not too shabby. 60 down to 45 for that shirt. No crazy steals, but it is a official team store, so you get what you get. Have a ton of variety. All right, more shops. Let's go. I do have a vlog from the Hall of Fame. That's going to be coming up. They have a merch store. And I did look around there, so that's coming up. Do have an Adidas. Let's go across the street. Let's go to Adidas. That's pretty dope. Guess you have to join their Tangers club. You get a little discount on top. Not the biggest outlet, but if they got steals, that's all that matters. That's the smallest clearance section I've ever seen in my life. What the hell is going on? Dang, this is one of the more interesting outlets. A lot of generic stuff. Got some Terex stuff right there, but not too many interesting things, to be really honest. Not one Adidas basketball item, which is interesting in Terex. AX4s for $50. Seems like a pretty good deal. And then got some Web Boost, Ultra Boost lights. But these aren't a part of their big 50% off sale. This one is. This might be the best deal here. $40. $40 for Ultra Boost 22s. And then even this one, $40 for this. Got plenty of sizes. It does have that shiny stuff on it. I'm good with that, man. We've seen certain ones of these at the at Marshalls and Ross too, though. But It's not like you find them in every one either too, so you know, most people don't have time to go to plenty of them. 75 for these after the discount. Blue and white as well. And then these super bright ones. These are 65 after discount. That's not bad. And this is in the women's section. This is the one that I found. I found these my size. I do a size 10. I grabbed these for freaking $25 at Ross, which was freaking fire. But yeah, $1.30 for those. Tune in with the women's section. Most of the deals are okay, but most not crazy. $50, smaller sizes only. Solar Glide's pretty cheap right there. All right, not much to see here. Let's go. Do have a lids. Is it a true outlet? Probably not, but let's look. Dang, man. If I was out here, I would definitely join this Tangers Club thing. They don't really have that many Tangers outlets in LA. I don't think they have any in SoCal. Just hats, no apparel. Do have a bunch of hats, $25 and stuff. They do have a few for $15. Some of these ain't bad. You know, I was about to go back to Ross to get one of the hats for one of my boys. Maybe I should just grab one here. That other one was way better though. These are all fitted hats, going for $20. These snapbacks down here, 15. This is 15, that's not too bad. Or these with the Thunders or the Lightnings. The other hats going for 25. Milwaukee Bucks going for $10. Chicago hat, 25. Fitted version right here for 30. Let's see here, nothing great. We're out. Not the biggest outlet mall. They do have an Under Armour. Let's look around. See, look, everybody seems to have something to do with Tanger's Club. Damn. Did I call it Tanger? I mean Tangers. Whatever. Let's go. 40% off the back wall. Let's go. We have a little sales rack right here. 40% off. Look at this. Project Rock 3s. This is the older one. $135. You get 40 off on top. That's not bad. That's not bad. We have a few sizes here. Size 12 is the biggest. That's not bad at all. That's well under $100 for that Project Rock 3. I've never seen Project Rock so cheap. These, I don't know what the hell these are. Hover Rise 3s. $100. You get an extra 40 off. Got some Charge Commit TR2s. 75. You get that 40 off. 75, you get that 40 on top. Charge Rogue 3, 70, 40 off. And then with the Project Rock 4s, look at this. Look at this. Buy one, get one free. I've never seen that with Project Rock. They've always been excluded from all these great steals. Wow, that's insane. That's insane. All right, back to the clearance section before I was distracted. Got some of the Phantoms. We've been seeing some of these at Burlington and Ross, which is insane. $150, you get that 40 off, so that drops it down to under 100. Hover Rise Camos, 95. Hover Sonic 4s, going for 95. I feel like we've seen a few of these at Ross and Marshalls. Well, probably Ross and Burlington. Marshalls hasn't had jack. But yeah, 70 for these. These are the Charge Vantage. Phantom 2s above 20. Some of the older Phantoms. Lockdown 5s, some basketball shoes, $65. Then more of the Phantom 2s. Do got some Steph Curry, the budget models. Buy one, get one free. Like we've seen these heavily discounted even at the retail shops. The last two colors we've seen at the stores. I don't even know what the retail is. What, $80 I think? Yeah, $80 for retail. Got some of the boots. Let's go for $90. These are a different one apparently, $125. Got the Phantom 2s, buy one, get one free. If you're getting two, these are probably cheaper than buying at the clearance section. Didn't do the math, but yeah, the Infinite 3s. Got a few of these. These go for $120. Women's section, do got the Hover Phantom 2s, going for $145, another 40 off on top. Regular price is $150. These are $135, you get that 40 off. And these are $120. Why are some of these $120? Why are some of them $130? Oh, these are the Hover Infinites, my bad. Hover Sonic for the women. These are the 5th gen. 4th gen right here, going for $110. Another colorway right there. Project Rock 4s, only got a couple sizes left because they've sold out in the bigger sizes. All right, that's pretty much about it. Hope hopefully that's enough footage for y'all. Do have a clearance section. Their clothing is actually really good, 40% off, and then you know they discounted on top, so 40 down to 30. I'm gonna be honest, most of their clothing doesn't really excite me too much though. You know, we've been seeing Project Rock stuff at Ross and Marshalls, which is pretty dope too. 35. Like their hoodies are all like really thin. It's all performance based stuff too, and usually I'm just sitting around on my butt. 75, 40 off for this. Got a jacket right here going for 100 bucks. Always have all kinds of deals. Look at this. Dude got buy one get one free for the hoodies. I don't see a price tag though. $60 for these, so 30 bucks a piece. They are really thin though. Slightly thicker ones right here, $60. Got more right there. All right, we're gonna wrap it up. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. Not the craziest mall, but I try to hit up every sports apparel / sneaker shop. There's a pretty bootleg sneaker store, but I didn't want to go into that. But that's pretty much about it. I am wrapping up my trip, headed back to Southern California. But I got plenty of videos coming up for you guys. I did drive to Cleveland, got all kinds of videos coming from there. Probably do all the Pittsburgh then the Cleveland ones, but got plenty of content coming. Finally made it out to, what is this? What this used to be called? Three River Stadium. Now it's called what? Acrisure Stadium or something. This place is freaking huge. Got plenty of light at this angle. Almost too much light. God dang, dude. Lights are bright as hell. This place is pretty dope. Pretty dope. Would love to come watch a game here someday. Shit, I need to go to SoFi now that I think about it. I need to head to SoFi. Damn. When I was looking for their baseball park, it's right here, PNC Park. This stadium looks dope. Still doing some construction here. You can see all the lights pointing at the stadium or inside the stadium. Got bars on the outside, restaurants, bars on the outside right here. Man, this is fire, dude. I'm not even into baseball. Definitely gonna have to come back here, do an actual trip. This was just a quick trip to catch all the stores and see what's up. All right, gonna have to come back. Not the craziest skyline. Got buildings, but they got a major river that goes through downtown. You could see the baseball stadium right there. That's fire. Then you come to the other side, see other buildings, more bridges. This place is dope. This is fire. Hope you guys enjoy all these videos. Definitely appreciate you making it to the end of this one. Got plenty coming. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. And then make sure you help a boy out and click one of these videos. Make sure you guys check out some of the other videos, man. I'm highlighting the ones from all the different states, different places that I've visited. Been doing Florida, then we did Pennsylvania, then we did Ohio. So been doing some traveling for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.